I did some project today. What it will solve is instead of manually go and search online, the system will search for you. uh, when this will be useful is when you get the requirement. Obviously you need how others are done it, right? Some specific functionality. Instead of you go to Google and then search those keywords and then go to that link and download the images or refer. So I automate that process. Now I created a plugin. This plugin will search for you. You don't need to go to some tool and then, sorry, you need to go to Google and then search manually. Assume I search for this. If I search it, now what happens is I'm using a concept called MCP. This will what it do is it goes to the online, and then it searches the images or keywords that you put in on Figma. Again, it put backs in our Figma. This way we can create a multiple image reference. Now I search for RMM dashboards. uh, this we can search any keywords here. System will do a search for you. You don't have to do any search no more. uh, See, it's a big size, so we can use this the reference. Assume I search for dependent field UI fresh service. I'm just trying something. It will take some time because it's crawling from internet. See, it's, yeah, we can see how they have done it, how they are creating it. Yeah, this is what I've done. I've created this using multiple tools. Cursor and Claude. Claude is a new tool. This is an interesting concept that everyone should read. MCP. I'm using the same MCP technology. We can automate n number of things. System will do it for you. That's the concept. And ChatGPT. So I've used multiple tools to achieve this. Thanks.